Sleep is one of the most powerful tools we have for health, yet many treat it as optional. Tonight we'll explore why sleep shapes your body, brain, and even your future in ways you may not realize. We spend about 1/3 of our lives asleep. That means nearly 30 years of a 90-year life is spent resting. But this time is far from wasted. It's when the body repairs, the brain resets, and energy is restored. Sleep is not shutting down. It's an active, complex process. Hormones shift, memories organize, cells repair. Your immune system grows stronger. Your mood stabilizes. Sleep is daily maintenance for life. Without enough, the opposite happens. Stress hormones rise. Focus fades. Reaction time slows. Appetite shifts, making you crave unhealthy foods. Lack of sleep even raises risk for heart disease and diabetes. The nervous system is at the center of this. The sympathetic system keeps you alert. The parasympathetic helps you rest. Sleep is the ultimate activation of recovery mode, your natural rest and digest state. During deep sleep, growth hormone is released. Muscles heal, bones strengthen, tissues repair. If you train, exercise, or work hard, this is when your body recovers and builds strength for the next day. REM sleep is just as important. This is dream sleep. Your brain processes emotions, stores memories, and sparks creativity. Skipping REM leaves you forgetful, moody, and less able to solve problems. Studies show people restricted to 6 hours of sleep for 2 weeks perform like someone awake for 24 hours. That means constant tiredness is like living in a haze of sleep deprivation. Most adults need 7 to 9 hours. Teenagers need 8 to 10, children even more. Yet many boast about sleeping only 5 or 6. Science shows that's not strength. It silently weakens body and mind. Think of sleep like charging a phone. You can survive on half a charge, but the battery drains faster and performance suffers. Over time, running half-charged shortens lifespan and limits potential. Sleep deprivation affects emotions too. When you're tired, your brain reacts more strongly to negative events. You feel more anxious, irritable, and stressed. Rest is what balances emotional resilience. So how do we protect sleep? First, create consistent bedtimes and wake times. Your body loves rhythm. A steady schedule resets your internal clock and makes falling asleep faster and more reliable. Next, control light. Morning sunlight boosts energy and resets circadian rhythm. At night, dim screens and artificial light. Blue light tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime and delays sleep. Room environment matters. Keep it cool, dark, and quiet. Studies show the best sleep temperature is around 18 to 20 degrees Celsius. Darkness signals your brain to release melatonin, the sleep hormone. Caffeine lingers for hours. Avoid it late in the day. Alcohol also disrupts deep sleep, even if it makes you drowsy. Instead of restful cycles, your brain gets stuck in lighter stages and wakes often. Relaxation is the runway to sleep. Try deep breathing. Inhale slowly through your nose for 4 counts, hold for 4, then exhale for 6. This activates the parasympathetic system and calms the body. Progressive muscle relaxation works too. Start with your toes, tense them, then release. Move upward calves, thighs, stomach, shoulders, face. By the end, you'll feel looser and ready to drift into sleep. Guided imagery helps many people. Picture calm scene waves rolling on a beach, wind in trees, or stars in the night sky. Use all senses. The brain responds as if it's real, bringing true calm. Mindfulness meditation before bed improves sleep quality. Focus gently on the breath. Let thoughts come and go without judgment. This lowers stress hormones and prepares the mind for deep rest. Nature sounds are powerful. Rain, thunder, flowing water, or soft winds signal safety to the brain. That's why channels like this one use black screens and nature sounds to create ideal sleep conditions. Journaling before bed can clear mental clutter. Write down tomorrow's tasks or worries. Putting them on paper stops your brain from cycling through them while you lie awake trying to rest. Healthy sleep doesn't just improve nights, it transforms days. Well-rested people are sharper, more creative, more focused, and more emotionally stable. They even live longer, healthier lives. Athletes know this well. Many top performers protect sleep as part of training. They understand that recovery is when the body adapts, grows stronger, and gains the edge needed for peak performance. Even in everyday life, good sleep improves relationships. When you're rested, you have more patience, clearer communication, and more energy for the people you care about. Poor sleep, on the other hand, raises risks of accidents. Driving tired can be as dangerous as driving drunk. Lack of focus and slower reaction times turn small mistakes into life-changing accidents. Protecting sleep is protecting life. It's not optional, it's essential. The more you value it, the more your body rewards you with health, focus, and calm energy to face whatever comes next. So tonight, give yourself permission to rest. Turn off devices early, dim the lights, and prepare your body for calm. Use breathing, sounds, or stretching as a runway into deep, restorative sleep. Sleep is not wasted time. It's your body's most powerful healing tool. Treat it as sacred because it shapes not just how you feel tomorrow, but how healthy and resilient you'll be for years to come. If you'd like help sleeping more deeply, explore the sound library here on Ambient Drifting. Black screen, high-quality audio, and playlists designed to calm your mind and carry you into rest. Subscribe to Ambient Drifting and make better sleep part of your daily routine. Protect your nights, sharpen your days, and let rest become your most powerful investment in health and future.